What's up, Street Dogs? Eric Kim from the Eric Kim Street Photography blog. Happy Christmas, Merry New Year's, Merry Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, whatever you believe in. So one thing I wanted to share with you is one thing that I'm actually always really excited for the new year is having the opportunity to rethink your photography and start things carte blanche, or starting things as a fresh slate, because I think as photographers, I mean, based on my personal experiences, everyone has difficulties staying motivated, staying inspired to make photographs. And generally speaking, I've been thinking more of the philosophy of Heraclitus and my best friend Nietzsche, and thinking that every single day you're in a state of becoming as a photographer, which means don't worry so much about, am I going to become the ultimate photographer if I just figure out the secrets X, Y, and Z. It's more just realizing that focus on your photographic process every single day, because every single moment of the day you're actually evolving as a photographer, visual artist, and so forth. And so I know for myself, some things that I've personally been thinking a lot about photography is that all photography is good photography, all cameras are good cameras, and really spending less time worrying about what other people think about me and my work, but just to be more honest with myself and to be more authentic with myself. Because I think ultimately with photography, there's no such thing as good or bad photography, but there's such thing as authentic or inauthentic photography. To me, the difference is authentic photography are photos that you really like and you shoot for yourself and then share them with other people after the fact. Inauthentic photography to me is photos that you make to please other people, or photos that you shoot and share because you think others will like it. Honestly, it ain't nobody's fault. It's probably Facebook's fault, Instagram's fault, that we start to quantify our self-worth as photographers via the amount of likes and faves we get. And so in terms of some bold new Year's photography resolutions, some ideas. I mean, obviously you don't have to do these, but some practical ideas. And I'm only gonna give you suggestions that I've personally done in the past with some success. So the first thing is delete your Instagram. Honestly, you're gonna lose all your followers, likes, blah, blah. But consider it as a chance to have a new slate. Other things you could do is you could keep your Instagram account, just delete all your old photos and just start carte blanche, brand new. Or just, once again, just delete your Instagram straight up, and then use this opportunity to really rethink your photography and your focus. And if you really, really feel sad about deleting your Instagram, you can always re-enable it. The second idea I have is to start your own photography website blog. The easiest way to do this is to sign up on bluehost.com and install wordpress.org and start your own website. Essentially, it's creating your own platform, your own blog, your own brand. And this is the best way I think is to succeed as a photography entrepreneur. Third thing is, this might be a good chance for you to simplify your photographic life. So if you're like me or like many other photographers, we just have too many cameras. That's our biggest problem. See if you can simplify down your equipment. See if you could sell or give away, better yet, give away old cameras that you have that you're not really using, and use this as an opportunity to zen out, just focus on the whole one camera, one lens. So generally when it comes to street photography, the simplest thing, just like a Ricoh GR version 2, I think now that the GR3 is coming out, you get these things for like $500, and I think that's a good investment. Or just shoot with your phone. There's so many good options out there to realize that all photography is good photography, and don't really care so much about the gear and the equipment. It's just figure out what works for you. Or you could just go the complete other option, is just shoot whatever all the time. Another idea for a New Year's resolution is, I mean, this is so simple, but just keep shooting every day. I mean, this is the problem, is that a lot of people think that, oh, you must take photos on your quote legit camera. But just, I mean, you're probably already taking photos every single day on your phone or whatever. Just to keep shooting every single day and to keep studying visual art. Also, another thing to think about is, don't just think of yourself as a photographer, but think of yourself as a visual artist. This will help open up a lot more avenues of thinking about your photography and art. And really consider this a good chance for you to also travel. You don't have to travel far. You can stay within your own neighborhood, your own city, just drive to the next neighboring place, or just go cross country or even go international. I don't think traveling, it won't solve your life problems, but certainly will give you some interesting insights. Also, what I would encourage you to do is, use this year to invest in more photography books, experiences, workshops. Anything related to education usually has 100x feedback or 100x return. Another thing too is start your own YouTube channel. Honestly, you could just be like me, walking around on your phone, doing selfie mode, talking about nonsense, but no matter if it's good or bad, just be authentic, be you. People want to hear your voice, they want to hear your opinion, and never play yourself, right? Have fun yourself. Let's make this a great 2019. Peace out.